guys, welcome back to Mama Tries. So today what we're doing is the hardwood floors, okay? So stop. So Danny is laying down all the hardwood floors. I've been cutting off the tips of the popsicles, the wooden popsicle sticks. I've been cutting the ends so it's a nice flat board, and then also cutting them in half because he's doing that staggered type thing. It's not all uniformed. We went over to stores that are in our area trying to see if we could find the hardwood floors already pre-done, that all we had to do was lay it down, but either it was really expensive for just one sheet, or we just couldn't find it. So we decided, you know what, let's go with popsicle sticks and we'll stain them or paint them depending on what we do. So I'm going to turn this around so that you guys can see all this, where we're at now, and then as we go along we'll show you the end results just before we stain, and we'll show you how we stain it. Okay, so this is where Danny is at. So you can see, oh, I didn't realize there was glue. So you can see he's doing one long, one short all the way through, and he still has this section. Now, is it because I have to cut it special? Okay, so I have to cut these special, so I guess he's gonna do all the parts that he can do without having to cut so special. And then we cut special pieces for those pieces. So we're gonna be doing it in the kitchen, throughout the whole house. The kitchen, this is gonna be the dining room, living room, bathroom is gonna have tiles, but up here it's gonna also have the wood, and we are going to stain it, what color? It's like a cherry wood color. And one of these doors he has to fix. I think it's this door, because when I was painting I realized it doesn't want to shut. So somehow he's gonna fix that. Don't know what happened and how it got like that, because when we first put it in it wasn't like that. Anyway, so we're gonna do that, and yeah, I guess that's gonna be all for today. Is we're gonna just glue the wood down and see if we have time to stain it today. If not, that's tomorrow's project for Danny, because I'm gonna be at work. Alright, so yeah, we'll see you in a few. Okay. So I forgot to mention the glue that we're using to lay this down. It is Eileen's Quick Dry Tacky Glue. Holy moly, couldn't spit that out. Either the Quick Dry Glue, Tacky Glue is really good. From what we read, the Turbo Tacky Glue, which when I was reading the information in the back, this is pretty much basically the same thing as the Turbo Tacky Glue. So you just lay a little bit down. He's been using this sponge to kind of spread it out, spread out the glue in a little section, and then he lays down the wood planks. So yeah, just forgot to mention that. So all right, back to cutting and doing all that good stuff.